The engineering team at the Town of Victoria Park are very supportive of initiatives like permeable paving within the public realm. From a maintenance perspective, we think it serves two purposes. One, it does allow for the pedestrian environment to be maintained in busy locations where pedestrian activity is quite high. And also, secondly, it does provide a function to infiltrate some of the water to minimise any runoff into the road catchment area.
What we've got here is a permeable paving detail that we've incorporated into the footpath fabric to try and capture water in a really local setting, to reduce the runoff into the stormwater system, but also to maximise the water capture for the retention into the local soil and watering the trees, the street trees. So this design was constructed with a permeable paving, so something that is still pedestrian trafficable and safe for accessibility, but also that allows the water to penetrate through into the substructure, which is more of like a finer gravel membrane that will allow the water to permeate down into the root system. The design sort of came about to find ways in which we can better utilise our water resources and also to reduce runoff into the engineering water structures. Yeah, so the species of tree here in this really heavy urban area is the London plane tree. These trees were selected due to their deciduous nature and their resilience in these really tough growing conditions. It's really important to get deciduous trees into these urban areas to allow sunlight in through the winter time, but then also to create shading in summer when we really want to protect ourselves from that strong hot summer sun and to reduce that heat island effect that occurs.
Today we're standing on grasscrete pavers, which obviously offer some infiltration benefits and obviously allow the greening of the area. So this was one of the principles to actually provide turfing in the parking zones. We wanted to make sure that we didn't dominate like an asphalted area. We wanted to make sure that it integrates with the landscaping. So these pavers, these grasscrete pavers as we call them, have been chosen because of their robustness, their longevity. They're very thick, they're about 80 to 100 mil thick. We haven't had any maintenance issues with them at the moment. They're quite easy if services need to come through and lift them out and obviously place them back in, it's quite easy. But yeah, their longevity definitely is something that we noted when the supplier provided that to us. And from a long-term sustainability perspective, we think that these are the best suited for the area because they do integrate with the landscaping.